Jagadipendra Narayan Bhubadur was the last king of Koch dynasty. In 1949, I think 28 August, Kochbihar state joined with India by an agreement, and after that, the Jagadipendra Narayan handed over his full power to Government of India 12 September in 1949, and from that time Kochbihar known as a district of West Bengal, and it is the very important district of West Bengal because the place is the king of Koch dynasty. This place is known as the Koch dynasty. That's why place is very important, and Kochbihar district is very important, and it is the important part of West Bengal. The first entrance gate of Goshanimari Rajpat, the historical place of Kochbihar district. Also, it is known as the place of Koch dynasty, the first capital of Koch dynasty. And this place is very important for every citizen of Kochbihar. So, today I am here, come here, and I just explore this place, and I will show you everything. So, stay connected with me and see the video till end. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shiny Morning, and today's video is very interesting, and today I am at Goshanimari Rajpat, the historical place of Kochbihar district, and this place is also known as the first capital of Koch dynasty. And today I came here and I want to explore this place, and I will show you something, and this video is very interesting, and hopefully you enjoy, everyone enjoy this video. And today I came here, I just want to explore this place, and this place is known as the Goshanimari Rajpat. If you want to visit here, and it is near Dinata railway station, it's just 15 kilometer. Even it is located 30 kilometer far away from Kochbihar district, near the Goshanimari Bazar, and this place is very interesting for every citizen of Kochbihar. And today I will share some interesting things of the Goshanimari Rajpat, and even don't have much knowledge about Goshanimari Rajpat, but I just try to share some things of Goshanimari Rajpat. And if you know the interesting, even the everyone if know the history of Koch dynasty, even the Goshanimari Rajpat, comment, please share your experience on comment section, and people can know the history of Koch dynasty, even the Goshanimari Rajpat. And I think this place is, and you know that Vishwasingh Rai was the founder of Koch dynasty. He was the first ruler of Koch dynasty. I think it is the he found Koch dynasty, and at first he chose this place for his kingdom, and this place is the first capital of Koch dynasty. Vishwasingh Rai was the founder of Koch dynasty, and at first he chose this place for his kingdom. And I think you can see nowadays everywhere are destroying, but lot of things available here, the witness of, and it is we are the witness of Koch dynasty. I think you can see over there, he made 20 feet wall for protect the external enemy even, and he chose I think 20 kilometer area for his kingdom, and he chose this place for his kingdom, and he rule from here, and he spread his kingdom undivided Assam, some part of Bangladesh, even the Kochbihar, and he ruled. He is the first ruler of Koch dynasty, and he ruled from here. And this place is very interesting, and even you can see behind me, but my camera quality is not good, so I cannot show you. So you can see over there, there was a museum. It is the museum, the witness of Koch dynasty. It is bear the witness of Koch dynasty. When he built his kingdom, he chose the Goshanimari Rajpat, and at first he chose this place is known as the Goshanimari Rajpat, and you can see over there some people are there. This is made this is the well, the deep well for drinking water. Even he built his fort and some his palace. Even he built some temple, but nowadays is destroying. But you can see over there the well, and this is the witness of Koch dynasty, and it is the still bear the witness of Koch dynasty. And I think the last of 15th century, his sons Narayan, he transfer his kingdom to Kosbihar city, and nowadays this place was known as Kosbihar Rajbari, and everyone know the place. And in the 15th century, I think 15th century, he transferred his capital to Kosbihar city, and nowadays he shifted. That time, in the time he shifted his capital in Kosbihar city, and nowadays place is known as the Kosbihar Rajbari. So the people forget this place, but this place is the first place of Koch dynasty, and he ruled from here. And nowadays this place is destroying, but due to lack of maintaining, but still bearing the witness of Koch dynasty. And even the place is nowadays undertaking the archaeological survey of India. 1998 archaeological survey of India survey this place, and they found lot of things, even the equipment of wire, lot of bronze, copper, and this place is still bearing the witness of Koch dynasty. And from that time in 1998 the archaeological survey of India and maintaining this place, and this place is undertaken by archaeological survey of India. Even at the last of 15th century, the Shen dynasty, this place is rebuilt again. In the last king of Shen dynasty, I think Nilamba Shen, but I don't have much experience about the Shen dynasty. But this place is also known as the capital of Koch dynasty. The first capital of Koch dynasty. That time Vishnu Rai used this place, and he ruled his kingdom from here, and he spread his kingdom undivided Assam, some part of Bangladesh, even the Kosbihar city. But nowadays most of the people forget this important of Goshanimari Rajpat, but this place is still bearing the witness of Koch dynasty. And if you want to visit here, please come here and enjoy this place, because this place is very beautiful even, and this place is very important for the Koch dynasty, also the Koch Rajbongshi, especially the known as Rajbongshi people. This place is very important, every citizen of Kosbihar city. So today I came here, I just explore this place. If you have much experience, please share on comment section, please, and people can know the history of Koch dynasty. And because nowadays most of the people of Kosbihar citizen, they are forget about the history, they forget the culture, they forget their tradition. But if you want to have much experience of Goshanimari Rajpat, please share. And this is the museum, and nowadays this place is fully closed due to lack of security, lack of maintaining. This place is very close my village, and I think 5 kilometers. That's why I came here. So if you have much experience, please come here and visit this place, enjoy the Goshanimari Rajpat. Connected with me. So hope that everyone enjoy this video. So Tata, see you on next video. Bye.